Hey Savvy family, are you looking for an affordable alternative to traditional health insurance program?
Today we're going to give you our honest and transparent review of Christian Healthcare Ministries. We'll share what CHM is, how it works, the pros and cons, the pricing, and how it compares to traditional health insurance, and also our personal experience after being members of them for over 5 years.
Welcome back to The Savvy Couple, where we talk family, finance, and freedom.
For those of you new here, I'm Brittany.
And I'm Kellen, and today we're diving into the world of Christian Healthcare Ministries, a popular alternative to traditional health insurance program. Christian Healthcare Ministries, or CHM, is a faith-based healthcare sharing ministry where members share medical expenses.
It's rooted in biblical principles, encouraging members to help each other bear the burden of medical costs.
CHM has grown significantly as healthcare cost and insurance premiums have skyrocketed, providing more affordable options for many families.
All right, so when we joined Christian Health Share back in 2018, we started this business, The Savvy Couple, and I was still at my teaching job and I carried our benefits.
We quickly grew our business, The Savvy Couple, into a multiple six-figure business, allowing Brittany the opportunity to quit her job as a teacher and join me full-time. So we quickly needed an affordable healthcare program that could protect us against major medical expenses, and that's where we found CHM. So how does CHM work? Joining CHM involves meeting a certain eligibility requirements, such as being a Christian and agreeing and abiding by their principles.
The financial structure includes monthly contributions, personal responsibility amounts, and a system for sharing and reimbursing medical bills.
CHM shares various medical events, but it's essential to understand what is typically shared and what might be excluded. You can learn everything you need to know by clicking on the link in the description and filling out the form on their website. They're going to send you a packet with all the information.
All right, let's dive into some of the pros and cons of CHM. One of the biggest pros is the sense of community and the shared values among members of CHM, and it's even Dave Ramsey approved.
Which is awesome. And that's kind of how we found it in the first place. You can also save a lot on premiums and deductibles compared to your traditional insurance.
Plus, there's flexibility in choosing healthcare providers. When we first signed up for CHM, we knew we would be adding to our family within the next year. And being a gold member, we were able to breathe easy knowing that we would be able to share all prenatal, delivery, postnatal costs and have the stress of medical expenses while bringing into the child into the world was definitely just a huge relief.
Yep. All right, so let's talk about some of the cons. CHM does have limitations, especially for pre-existing conditions, mental health care, and prescription drugs. We often use Good RX for prescriptions, and it's worked really well for us.
Member contributions are essential, and there's no legal obligation for CHM to pay for your medical expenses.
The last one is sometimes the process for disputing a bill can be challenging. Let's compare CHM to traditional health insurance in terms of cost, coverage, flexibility, and legal protections.
We searched the New York State marketplace and found nothing as affordable as CHM for the needs of our family.
And when we were researching the best plan, we found that it was almost $1,500 per month with a huge deductible before insurance would actually kick in. So signing up for CHM was actually a very easy decision for us.
We've heard many stories from individuals who switched from traditional insurance to CHM and have been satisfied with the change, including us.
CHM has significantly impacted our healthcare decisions and financial health.
Having all medical expenses shared for our daughter Kennedy's birth, which was over close to $30,000, and I had a neck injury that was close to $15,000.
Remember that everything is out of pocket first, and the paperwork can be a pain, but overall CHM has been a huge blessing to our entire family.
Sure. We just recently found out that our kids are eligible for Child Health Plus in New York State, which allows them to be on a traditional insurance fully covered. And while we're still on CHM sharing our medical expenses, and that flexibility has been really great.
Yeah, it's incredible.
When evaluating different health sharing programs, consider factors like the ministry's statement of faith, the requirements for memberships, and specifics of what is shared.
It's crucial to understand your healthcare needs and how they will align with what the ministry offers. To recap, we've covered what CHM is, how it works, pros, cons, comparisons with traditional insurance, and our personal experiences.
Remember to do your own research and consider your healthcare needs and values when choosing between CHM and a traditional insurance.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others.
Check out the links in the description for more information on CHM and let us know your experiences or any questions that you have in the comments below.
We'll see you in our next video.